Hi, this is a brief introduction to Traffic Factory 2.0. Traffic Factory 2.0 is the fastest, most robust, flexible, and powerful mass website generator that I've had the pleasure to work with. And I think you will agree with me once you see the capabilities of this little piece of software. Traffic Factory basically takes content that you define using the available resources, has a built-in HTML editor, which is a WYSIWYG editor that you should be familiar with if you've used any other generators like WordPress, etc. And you completely control the look and feel of the content that you put on the site that you build right here. The HTML itself, the look and feel is controlled by a template file that we provide to you. We actually give you over 40 different templates that you can choose from. All of your output is put into a discrete separate location. It is a complete website when finished that you can save, archive, upload anywhere you want. The software automatically will upload for you to 15 different AWS Amazon Web Services S3 regions, every available region around the world. Australia, Eurasia, Europe, South America, North America, United Kingdom, everything. So you want to upload to geographic locations that are closest to your target audience. You control the structure of the site. Here, you can define and select whether or not you want to use categories, tag pages, provide additional interlinking within the site, and we'll show you that in a minute. You can enable an additional level of interlinking with a next and previous article link. You can enable random posts being added to your content pages and define the number of links you want. You can choose whether to use content pages or posts from within the same category, provided you've selected category build up here, and you can provide a link from every page back to the home page. In the markup tab, we provide everything that you could possibly need to generate schema, and as you can see from the shaded out portion here, you can use location-specific information within the schema and use the tokens to generate specific schema for locations and specific keywords that actually are in this case used as the title for the page as well. So you might have something like a best fort remover in Beverly Hills, California, 90210, just as an example. We provide the Geo Data for Australia, Canada, the United States, the United Kingdom, as well as 6,500 other international cities. You can target right down to zip codes, postcodes, counties, etc. Using the software. There are probably 500,000 different combinations of locations that you can target using this software with the data that we provide. And you can also build your own data and define your own tokens as well if you wish. AMP support is built in. Enable it, pick a template, and add override content if you wish. Extra content is to augment what is added to some of the pages, not the post pages, because that's where your readable content goes. But category pages, tag pages, and index pages can have additional content without consequence. I add iframes at this level so that I can have legal pages on all of my sites to satisfy Google's and other requirements. Redirects, if you wish, you can turn on a redirect and have people immediately sent to a landing page of your choosing. On page load, you can use an overlay of the existing site to provide that same interaction with a different page, a landing page, or you can also specify a 307 redirect, which is a temporary don't follow redirect. You can also cloak the referring information that's added to the browsers when someone clicks on a link if you wish. Deployment happens here. We start, in this case, we're going to add to our dummy uploader. You can see FT uploader will automatically upload complete sites to an FTP account that you specify if you wish. All 15 Amazon S3 regions, you select the one you want. You use a dummy uploader if you're going to either verify the results of what you just built, make sure you like what it looks like, and we're going to build about 1,100 pages, 2,200 pages here real quick, just to give you an idea. That's fast for a 2,200 page website, complete, ready to go. Everything contained in this one folder. Your link pages set up thusly with a little content, like we said, link out to the specific content article that we generated, apple cider wart removal treatment. This you will also find the way that we teach or show you to do is we add exactly the same thing as our H1 tags as our meta description. As you can see here, the content, we randomly select a video from a list that you provide if you want to use videos, or you can use a single video and embed it as much as you want to different pages. Here's our previous and next links. That's an ugly word. I'll take it off the screen for you. So it just links to the next article or the previous article that you specify, or that was built by the software. Additional links, we provide 5 outbound links within the same category. And then again, here you can see the legal pages from the iframes. You can insert iframes anywhere. You can use this facility that I showed you here, or you can embed them directly within the content itself. You can also add Google Maps. We provide the ability to do Google Maps without requiring an API as a simple way to do it. I hope you can get the impact of this. You can build sites up into the hundreds of thousands of pages if you wish, and I'll just briefly explain how you would go about that. Okay, we close this out, we come back to the software, come to our content. This is a keyword file that we have, that we're using as titles for each of the individual pages. Okay, so it's going to build a page for each one of these entries in this file. In this case, I've got 1,100 of them. I built one content page and one tag page for each, for a total of 2,200 pages. For the website. It also automatically generates site maps, which you will find as well. In this case, I have available to me in here that I built 244,000 keywords, phrases. Okay, nice long tail keywords, all of them related to my main target, which is wart removal, wart cures, etc. Now, you can use this token in the software here, and you will build 244,000 pages, and they will all be interlinked and categorized, just like I showed you. I don't recommend it, but the software will do that. Better to build 200 1,000 page websites in my mind, but just to show you the power of it. And again, everything can be geo-targeted, as tight or as wide as you want. You can do a country, you can do a state, you can do a city, you can do a zip code, you can do a county, so on and so forth, for anywhere in the world just by inserting the tokens. I hope that whet your appetite, and I hope to see you, like some people we know say, on the inside. Actually, I'd love to be able to interact with you when you get started using this product, so that we can both benefit. Thank you very much for your time.